It's dress-up time with Kindy Kids. Mr. Bello loves unicorns. Donatina is a princess. Cindy Pops is a doctor. And Marshmallow makes the cutest bunny. Kindy Kids, each sold separately.